Welcome, I'm Toysbackzen, and today we're going to take a look at Fisher-Price's Adventure People Daredevil Sports Van, made in 1978 to 1982. Came with lots of pieces. There's a couple of different versions of this. One with the blue motorcycle and one with the green motorcycle. And the one that I had as a child was the green motorcycle with the two Daredevil with the orange jumpsuits. And this one I think is more rarer than the other one. I really had a hard time finding all the pieces. So we're going to get some new stickers just by taking some pictures off the internet and resizing them. The app that I use for that is Print to Size. That allows me to size them accurately, print them out. I usually print them out in 3 or 4 different sizes just to make sure I get the right size. Cut them out, and there you go. So this came with a parachute and a parachute harness. Came with my version, and the version that I have here came with the green motorcycle, 2 Daredevil figures. It also came with a kayak and a kayak oar, which I don't have the kayak. I just have a Adventure People canoe that I'm putting in place of the kayak until I can get one. But as you can see, the stickers turned out really good. Let's check out the parachute and see how it flies. I haven't thrown this parachute since I was 7 years old in the field of my parents' house on a mountain. And I've got lots of trees in my backyard, so I hope he doesn't get caught in the trees. Let's see how he flies. And there you can see that parachute works awesome. Now the parachute I had as a kid had stars on it, blue stars, like you'd see on the American flag. This parachute came in a G.I. Joe lot that I had bought on eBay, let's say like 17 years ago. And I've been holding on to it this long until I got the van. I think I got this van for $10 at a toy show back in 2018. And I finally got enough parts together to do this video and decided to get some stickers on it and make it look good. I hope to complete it someday. Thanks for watching. I'm Toysbackzen. Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell down below. I make 3 videos a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. See ya.